Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Something a little bit different, guys. I'm going to take a look at the SPY. There were so many stocks I could have talked about today with that SPY move, but this looked really bleak. The numbers came out, the job numbers came out at 8:30. The market did not like that, fearing too strong an economy and perhaps they're going to have to raise interest rates, etc., etc. This ended up turning into be what I call my favorite day. By the way, look at the daily chart on the SPY. This is the 200-day moving average. In the pre-market, it actually got down right about a dime above that line right there. But look what happened once this market opened. We haven't seen a day like this in a long time. Basically straight up, a little bit of a pause, and the market continues to surge. So again, it would be pointless to talk. There were so many stocks I could have talked about, but this SPY action was awesome today, giving us lots of fantastic bounce plays after that big downturn. All right, everybody, have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.